Today, I'm sharing 5 proven ways to guarantee reader interest and avoid writing a book no one wants. Let's start with Google Trends. I'll show you how to use it to validate your book idea and find the perfect time to launch. Now, let's use a fitness book as an example. First, go to trends.google.com, type in weight loss, and hit enter. By default, Google shows you the past 12 months, but let's set this to 5 years to see long-term patterns. This graph shows you interest over time, with 100 representing peak popularity and 0 meaning very low interest. Looking at the last 5 years of data, we can see clear spikes every January. Now that's when people are most interested in weight loss content, shown here in blue. Now, let's add a comparison term. Click Compare and type in nutrition. Notice how nutrition, shown in red, actually maintains higher interest throughout the year compared to weight loss. This tells us that while weight loss has seasonal peaks, nutrition is a consistently strong topic year-round. Okay, scroll down to related queries. You can view either top related queries or rising ones. So for this example, let's look at the top queries. We see terms like best weight loss diet, nutrition facts, and what is nutrition? These are excellent chapter ideas that tells us exactly what information readers are seeking. So, you might be asking, what does this mean for your book? Consider using nutrition prominently in your title or subtitle since it has such strong, consistent interest. If you're including weight loss content, plan your launch for December to catch that January surge in interest, and make sure to cover all of these popular search topics in your chapters. Next is Answer the Public, a powerful tool for understanding exactly what questions people are asking about your book's topic. Now, let me show you how to use this effectively. First, head over to answerthepublic.com. Now, here's a quick tip. Create a free account and you'll get 3 daily searches instead of just 1. And for best results, stick to 1 or 2 keywords. All right, so for this example, I'll use personal finance. The site will generate a comprehensive list organized by different modifiers. I recommend switching from visualization mode to list view for a clearer look. For this example, let's scroll down to the questions section. This is where I find the most value. Here, you'll find questions starting with how, what, where, why, and when. Look at these examples. These aren't just random queries, they're chapter ideas straight from your potential readers. Now, here's a feature that many authors miss. If you click on the Amazon tab, this shows you related searches specifically from Amazon. This gives you insight into what book buyers are actually looking for. This is incredibly valuable for positioning your book effectively. So, looking at these results, you could structure your personal finance book around the most common questions, ensuring you're creating content people are actually searching for. Next up is Keywords Everywhere, a free Chrome browser extension that reveals what people are actually searching for. So first, click Add to Chrome. It only takes a couple of seconds to install. All right, so let's see this in action. Let's say you were a self-help author and you are writing on the subject matter stress management. We're going to use this as our example. Once you search, notice the panel that appears on the right side of your Google results. Without spending a penny, you can see related keywords like stress management strategies, stress management techniques, and what are the 5 stress management techniques. Now, here's how to use this for your book. These search terms can help you create compelling lead magnets or bonus content. For instance, if people are searching for 5 stress management techniques, you could create a free PDF featuring these techniques to help build your email list. And if you're a self-help author, Keywords Everywhere is particularly valuable beyond just stress management. You can research any topic in your niche, like meditation, mindfulness, or anxiety, to understand exactly what information people are seeking and how they phrase their searches. Looking at these keywords also helps you understand how to position your book. Notice how people are specifically searching for techniques and strategies. This tells you readers want practical, actionable solutions rather than just theory. Our next tool is Quora. While most people just browse questions and answers, I'll show you how to use it strategically to understand your readers' pain points and find gaps in current content. Let's use entrepreneurship as an example. I want you to type starting a business in Quora's search bar, but don't hit enter yet. Look at the drop-down suggestions. These show you common variations of what people are asking. This immediate list gives you insight into the specific pain points your readers are experiencing. And if you know anything about me, I'm always focusing on the pain points. What is your target audience struggling with? Once you see a promising topic, click through. Quora shows the number of answers under each question, and you can sort by recent or recommended. Questions with few answers, that's a content gap your book could fill. Now, pay attention to how people phrase their questions. They reveal specific fears and challenges. Instead of just how to start a business, you might see questions like, how do I overcome the fear of failing in my new business? Or what do I absolutely need to know before quitting my job to start a business? These aren't just questions. They're direct expressions of your readers' pain points. The detailed way people describe their situations shows you exactly what's keeping them up at night. And this helps you to address not just the practical steps of starting a business, but the emotional journey your readers are on. I also want you to review popular answers from other experts to see how they're positioning similar topics. If you notice everyone taking the same approach, this could be your opportunity to provide a fresh perspective in your book. And here's a bonus tip. Use Quora to establish your expertise by answering questions in your niche. Not only does this help you build your authority, but it also gives you practice explaining concepts that will appear in your book. Our final tool is AI. And while I don't recommend using it to write your book, you can use it strategically for research. Let's say you were a cookbook author. Here's how to use AI effectively. Start with ChatGPT or whatever AI you choose and ask, what are current trends in cookbook publishing? You might learn that while social media platforms like TikTok dominate quick recipes, there's actually growing demand for comprehensive cookbooks that offer detailed guidance. You'll also discover trends like authentic niche culinary voices and the rise of self-publishing among cookbook authors. You can use this information to structure a cookbook that aligns with your current trends while still serving your target audience. For instance, if you're writing a cookbook about quick meals, you might decide to include more detailed instructions and cultural context than what's typically found in social media recipes. Remember, AI is a research tool, not a content creator. Use it to understand market gaps and reader needs, but create your own original content. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to uncover what readers truly want. Remember, understanding your market isn't just about research, it's about connecting with real readers and their needs. And if you like videos like this where I provide tips and tools, make sure to subscribe for new videos every Wednesday at 10 a.m.